On the first day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
Homer in the briars and trees.
On the second day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
2 Chevy trucks and Homer freed from briars and trees.
On the third day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer running again for me.
On the fourth day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer running good finally.
On the fifth day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
Yogi with some dings. A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer with electricity.
On the sixth day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
Annabella playing Yogi with some dings. A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer hauling trucks for me.
On the seventh day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
Bullfrog and he's grinning, Annabella playing Yogi with some dings. A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer popping wheelies for me.
On the eighth day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
Banana rammer tilting, Bullfrog and he's grinning, Annabella playing Yogi with some dings. A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer towing rigs for me.
On the ninth day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me Jed and he's prancing,
Banana rammer tilting, Bullfrog and he's grinning, Annabella playing Yogi with some dings. A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer saving a red GMC.
On the 10th day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
Tuggies we're keeping,
Jed and he's prancing,
Banana rammer tilting, Bullfrog and he's grinning, Annabella playing Yogi with some dings. A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer started knocking on me.
On the 11th day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
Pumpkin slightly griping, Tuggies we're keeping,
Jed and he's prancing,
Banana rammer tilting, Bullfrog and he's grinning, Annabella playing Yogi with some dings. A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer saving hop to Yes-sirree.
On the 12th day of Christmas, the good Lord sent to me
2 pumpers pumping, Pumpkin slightly griping, Tuggies we're keeping,
Jed and he's prancing,
Banana rammer tilting, Bullfrog and he's grinning, Annabella playing Yogi with some dings. A Ford,
but it's hers.
Woody hauling logs, 2 Chevy trucks, and Homer out by our Christmas tree. Yeah, that was fun.